Yeah, I'll just back up for them so they got plenty of room. That'd be great.
What's the guy doing down there? That's like some like nasty ass mud. Like he's probably.
I don't know. We were on lunch and next you know, fire trucks and police and people running to our backyard. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
No. I don't know what he was doing down there. There's a chair down there, so I don't know if he was just sitting down there or what. So who knows?
How did you even know he's down there? The guys over there saw him?
I guess, yeah. They must have heard him or saw him because they called us over there and then said he was over here. So don't know who he is or what.
He's gonna get down in that water to rinse off. He's got his mask on. He just forgot his pants.
Alright, so this one's for Charlie Turbo. There's a fire rescue company here. Charlie walks up and says, hey, you guys need a ladder? Charlie Turbo on this one.
What's up, Brenton? How you doing, man?
How's it going, Charlie?
It's like, what are you doing down there? He's like, oh, she's coming down to rinse off.
That's not the place I'd be rinsing off. I mean, I'd have come and asked for a hose or something. I wouldn't go in there. Get bit by a gator or something.
I know.
You have to like go through, it looks like that everywhere.
Yeah, unless he came across.
No, he's like sunk in the
Oh,
mud.
I saw his legs were like buried down in there. He couldn't even move. Who called? You guys?
No, they just like, there were some fire trucks outside and police. I'm like, here? I'm like, yeah.
So you offered the fire department a ladder?
Yeah. I figured they were short a ladder.
We're gonna tag on that one.
That's fine.
Not to put you on blast, but
No, I mean, they got the ladder trucks, but you never know if they got like a little ladder or something.
what are you talking about? This is a typical Tuesday afternoon.
It's Wednesday, though.
It's Thursday.
No, today's Thursday.
Shit. We better all get back to work. You think it's Tuesday, I think it's Wednesday, and it's really Thursday.
Oh, man.
When we all wish it was Friday. I know, man.
Yep.
There we go. I have cameras all around this building too.
Oh yeah.
Y'all got some money up in here.
Getting 12 drag pack wheels and these hub sensor spacers we designed.
This is a stage 4R build with the diff brackets, diff braces, full exhaust, lowering kit.
When Johnny 5, that's alive, puts on his glasses, that boy feeling it. You see the comb over? You see that bang separation he got going on? Look at him.
Woo!
That boy feeling himself.
Was it Richard Rollins?
That's it. Woo! Gas monkey.
We're going to Mexico. Going to the test road and maybe bumpy bridge just to final test it. I think it's one of the nicest ones we've done. Complete package.
Damn it! Car! Jesus! What'd you say? I was screaming, car! 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 Damn it! Car!
What's that actually a car?
Yeah, it's a mail truck. Not just a car, the fucking US government. Jesus.
Hey Jordan, what just happened?
We just took a little ride in the mud.
What happened?
Hey, I don't know.
We're a little sideways and a little stuck. Brody's shoeless. Because, you know, the Yeezys can't get dirty. Duke, are you gonna come pull us out?
Look, he thinks it's his leash. Look, he's like, where are we going?
You come pull me out. You can come pull the car out, huh?
I need to get this big ass dog. This goddamn monster. Listen, man, he ran up on me and he smiles at you. So he shows his teeth, man. Come here. Man, got me sweating. Man, look at his mom. You gotta see it, man. It's crazy.
Come on, Brody. We're going for a ride.
All right.
There's always action at Forza Tuning. From someone saving their life today to going to get stuck. But hey, that's what makes it fun. We're going to see if there's any more homeless over here.
Yeah.
We're checking on the rest of the homeless to make sure they're not bathing in the swamp.
Something over there.
I want to know how Jordan thought she was going to get through that with that car.
Well,
that's what I'm.
I heard it.
What, did you start just giving it gas? Or were you just like, woo, woo?
No, I was driving slow the whole entire time. Until right here. Until we started to get stuck, then I started gassing it.
All right, Tom. So this is what we got going on here. So I can't even fucking believe that the car even made it that far. Like, look at that. That is like standing water.
They used the air filter.
And it's an Acura. And so Brody's the media guy. Girl, Jordan works in the office. So Brody thought he was gonna get.
We got the air filter.
He's gonna get the car unstuck with that piece of wood.
Go. Another day at Forza. This is taking the back roads. Whoa, easy, Brody. Easy. Wow, Brody, you all get the award today.
This beats the crackhead?
That beats the crackhead in the fucking drainage ditch. They
Oh,
stuck
man.
for 24 hours in a drain ditch.
So Brody, when she started down there, you didn't think to tell her to like not go through?
No, all I told her was like, this is completely.
The only thing he
I
said
said
to
this
me-
is completely up to you.
What did he say? He didn't be
He
like.
said, oh, it's kind of wet. And I was like, oh, so that way? And he goes, this is all up to you. That was the only thing he said to me. No warning, no nothing. This is all up to you.
Good
What?
content. Brenton.
Forza Tuning, Forza family.
Johnny, what are you
It's
doing?
Florida life. I'm live on Facebook.
Oh, man.
Say hi, Brody.
Hi, Brody.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Can you imagine spending the night there?
I know, right?
I'm just gonna go in there and clean off.
Oh my God.
Like that's not normal, but stuff unnormal happens all the time. Unnormal situations are normal here.
Brody,
Yes, sir.
well, I don't even know what to say.
I'm Brenton. I won the Speed Society car as the 25th Sweepstakes, I believe. And this is my second attempt at a burnout, so we're gonna see what works. Oh yeah.
Watch out, I want to get a picture.
That's a lot of rubber.